I can't keep up with all these new trends. What is in right now?
I don't follow trends. I never did. But there is a simple rule. If you're out, you're most probably not in right now. But if you're out, and it's in to be out, and you have stayed out before it was in to be out, then you can be in by staying out. But not if you stay out for too long, or if it becomes in to be out, you have to be out again to be in. And if you like out, and it becomes in to be in again, don't stay out for too long, because you have to be in when it's in to be out. Otherwise, it doesn't work. So just follow this simple rule, and you have nothing to worry about, my friend.
Makes sense. Thank you.